Well, first of all, I'm very grateful for this acknowledgement from my peers, particularly grateful to the people who have nominated me for this award. Um, the sort of clinical physiologist is a vanishing phenotype nowadays, and these sort of acknowledgements are important to show that this field is very much alive in the world of has been overpowered by exciting science and molecular and cell biology and genetics. There's still a very important place for the clinical physiologist, and this award recognizes that.
That award put me in such a wonderful association that I had become made from the chest standpoint. I know Alan Goldberg and Edie, his wife, and why it was so important for Alan, I believe he was president in '98, to put forth this award. And for those of us who have dedicated, well, now 30 years of my career to non-invasive ventilatory support, Margaret Frommer came out very early in my life and understanding of what this is all about. And Alan was kind enough to explain it to me once on a trip to Turkey that we happened to be on together. And she truly was a special person. And to be part of this award and to be recognized by my colleagues in that way is truly putting you in a place where you're now made. What would Margaret do? And that keeps, I hope, the audience thinking about when you're faced with these kind of obstacles and you know what the right thing to do and what equipment your patient needs, we're going to keep trying to get it done. So those are my thoughts.